Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video is over the 7-strike Bo Kata. We'll be looking at it from the front. We'll be looking at it from the side, just naming each skill as we go. Then we'll see this performed with a partner. Now we're going to start left foot forward, Jodan no Kamae, high guard position. We're stepping forward with our right foot, overhead strike, upward strike, then side strike, this is out head high, then we're going to reverse our grip, reverse side strike, then step up, step back, lean away, reverse low strike. Then we're going to step up, step back. My right hand opens up here. Low block. And then I'm stepping forward with my left foot. My hands slide past each other for a 2-hand thrust at the end. And then I'm going to shuffle step back to disengage. Now let's have a look at that from the side. Again, we're starting here. Jodan no Kamae, left foot is out in front. Stepping forward, overhead strike, upward strike, side strike, reverse grip, reverse side strike, step up, step back, lean away, reverse low strike, step up, step back, low block. My hands slide past, step through, 2-hand thrust, and then I move away. Now again, this can be performed with a partner. We will have Ms. Bible, Ms. McConnell, would you demonstrate the kata, please?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey! Hey!
Face me. Okay. Thank you both. All right, that is the 7-strike kata from the front, from the side, naming each skill, and then done with a partner, which can be a great way to practice this. It can be a lot of fun. It is a good introduction to fundamental Bo skills. Thank you very much for joining me.